Okay, so today we're going to start with sort of get the concept of what we're going to do today, something called the limiting reactant. And we will do so by a little tiny slideshow that I put together called Cheeseburger Stoichiometry. All right. Hopefully now you're feeling pretty comfortable with going mass to mole, mole to mole, mole to mass. The thing about that is that inevitably when you're making a product, it's almost guaranteed that you're going to run out of one of the reactants first. So I'm going to use cheeseburger stoichiometry as an example of what we're talking about here. So I'm going to show you how I make my famous hamburger. You just need one bun, 5 patties, 10 pieces of cheese, and you get this nice little penta burger. They're quite delicious. Nicknamed the Chammy Burger. So a lot of times the questions that are provided for us, and say this was a chemical reaction. You have 3 reactants, one delicious product. Oh, they're good. Quick true story. Went to Wendy's right before Christmas. I got 7 burger patties in my burger. Didn't ask for it, just ordered your standard triple. 7 patties. I should have put the picture I have of it in there, but I almost couldn't eat the whole thing. It was so, I don't know why they gave it to me. They're probably still talking about it. Remember that 7 patty burger we gave that dude? What I'm telling you is this is real. This happens. You can think of this as just this neat little chemical reaction. And these could even be the coefficients in the balanced chemical equation. Thing is, if you are going to order online, you're going to get a kilogram of each reactant. You're going to get a kilogram of buns, a kilogram of burger patties, and a kilogram of slices of cheese. Well, here's what you have to do. That's why you got to do that first calculation. You need to kind of say, well, a kilogram of buns, you get 57 buns. That's kind of like going grams to moles. Okay, kilograms to moles, of course, is counting. Remember, just we're not counting as big. Getting close to a mole of burger patties, but not quite there. So a kilogram of meat patties, you got 25. And a kilogram of cheese, that's 120 pieces of cheese. Well, so when you look at this, you have to do some even further calculations. So you want to kind of go on the other side and say, well, how many burgers would that make? If it was just the bun, you could make 57 Chammy burgers. You only need 1 bun per burger. If it was just the patties, you need 5 per. You only have 25. You can make 5 burgers. And if it was the cheese at 10 a pop, you could make 12 burgers. Well, so only one of these answers can be right, and of course the one that's going to be right is this one right here. You can make just 5 burgers because you're going to run out of, you don't have any meat after that. Who wants a Chammy burger with no meat? You want the 5 patties, not the 0 patties. So therefore that is your answer. So what we did is we calculated all the way through, and we said theoretically 57, theoretically 5, theoretically 12, and the answer is the least of those. So when we do our lecture coming up, the lecture 2 on limiting reactants, hopefully you can kind of keep this concept in mind, and hopefully you get a chance to try a Chammy burger sometime.